Okay, in this video, what I want to show you is how to filter out people that you don't want in your broadcast. For example, if you have a nurture sequence or a welcome sequence and you don't want people, you don't want to include these people in a broadcast email. The way to do this is there's a couple ways. You could use tags if you want to. And one of the greatest features of Kajabi is that you could use a people filter and save yourself tags. So the way to do this is to first filter out the people that you want to exclude. So you want people in an email sequence. In this case, I'm just going to use who are not subscribed to the welcome sequence. They're not going through the welcome sequence in my case, or the nurture sequence, whatever the sequences that you want. We're using this as an example. And there's two people here, and I'm going to save this segment. Okay. Not in welcome sequence, whatever. Okay. Just name it whatever you want. Like that. And now we've got this, not in welcome sequence, people filter. Then when I go back to my marketing and to my email campaigns, and I want to do a new email campaign. Come on. There we go. Email campaign. And I'm going to say, give me that one. Give me that one. Broadcast, exclusion, demo. Okay. Okay. And then it's going to say who is going to receive this. Well, now I want to go back into this one and say all the people who are not in my welcome sequence. And there's two of them in my case. And then I'm going to save and continue. And that is how I know that I'm sending to everybody who is not in my welcome sequence. And that's just one way of doing it. If you wanted to make it more of a, a more robust type of filter, it would be back to the people filter, and you can layer different parameters into a filter and then make that an exclusion filter or saved segment as well. And there's in this program or in this course, you could see on the side how to do layered filters as well. I won't go through it in this one because it's already there. And there is another way of you having an exclusion for your email list.